Welcome everybody, Tina here. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can train your conversation AI bot or update the already existing training. So first you want to hover over to settings in the bottom left, and then you're going to look for conversation AI, and then you go to bot training at the top. Just as a reminder here, you can train your bot. You can insert an exact URL. You can tell the bot, okay, I want you to learn everything what's within this path or everything what's within this particular URL. So let's take everything in this URL, hit get data. And in this example, we have 149 links, which the system took from that website. So click on see more over here. Now you can select in bulk all of these URLs at once. If you wanted to, let's say, delete them, if you took the wrong URL or anything like that, or if you wanted to refresh them, if you had some updates on your blog or your website and you just want to refresh all of them, you can just hit that button. So now it shows you getting data instead of trained. And now it's just refreshing the URLs in the backend and it pulls the new data. Now you can see it's trained. That only took a few seconds. If you wanted to individually delete just a few URLs, you can just manually select them here and then click the delete button here. And now these 3 links have been deleted. Also, you can search for links here. Let's say we want to do /blog, hit enter. Now it shows us the one URL, which includes /blog within the domain. Here is another option how you can refresh this and get new data if you just wanted to refresh that one particular URL. And that's it. That's how easy it is to retrain your conversation AI bot. See you in the next video.